Was it used when the Jubilee Hills election results also came out? Congress won in Jubilee Hills in Telangana in the same phase election along with the Bihar election. When you win Jubilee Hills election in Telangana, you will celebrate. But when you lose Bihar election, you say it's EVM fault. You say vote chori problem. What? In Bihar, OICG is MIM won 5 seats. Look at it, look at the strike rate. How did they win? Because they worked on the ground. If you're not with the people, if you're not talking to the people, if you're not talking the issues of the people, obviously people will reject you. Instead of answering that, if you come up with these frivolous issues of SIR, vote chori, VVM, when you win in Telangana, you won't talk about it. When you win in Karnataka, you won't talk about it. Only when you lose by very close margin in Haryana, you talk about it. When you lose by a huge margin in Bihar because of the incompetence in the way that you did the election, you talk about it. So don't be a sore loser. Accept the facts that people, the Congress is moving away from the people's issue. That is the reason why people are rejecting them.
In 2023, Act was just changed, he said, like that. And this was done to give the immunity to CEC. He raised the question.
Which one, sorry?
In 2023,
yeah.
He said that Act was changed and CEC was given immunity as per the Act.
He is also part of that selection process. As opposition leader, he is part of a selection process. So what is the argument that he is making? If you want, if you're unhappy, put a dissent note. Everyone can see. If you are unhappy with any of the selection process, selection issues, when you are selecting a chief election commission, put a dissent note. You are also part of it. So what is the absurd argument you're making?
Rahul Gandhi is going to Berlin when Parliament is in session.
One thing media has to educate the audience also is, last whole session was washed out. They asked further discussion on the electoral reforms. And yesterday, electoral reforms discussion has started. And when we have seen the whole discussion, we expected something new to be presented by Congress and its leadership. Nothing has been presented. And after initiating the discussion, without even listening to the reply, they are again leaving the country. So this is the part-time politics that Congress is doing. And that is why it is getting rejected from people.